Hello everybody, in today's video I want to talk about Sweatcoin and specifically about the new Tokenomics page updated a couple of hours ago. And before I start, I really want to say thank you guys for watching me. More and more people joining my channel, so thank you guys a lot for all your support. I really appreciate it. And I have checked this Tokenomics page and I want to show you the most important things actually. And for all the investors and people who are earning sweat now, so the most important thing that it is going to be 10% unlock at TGE, the token generation event, and the rest of your tokens going to be distributed during 2 years, 24 months. So it's going to be 21 months wasting, which is I think good for token price for sure. They also updated the distribution schedule and also put this chart for us, and they actually also put the airdrop in here, and I'm wondering what is it, because it is nothing I heard so far about this. And the team is also sharing with us how they're going to earn with the app, and it is going to be transactions fees we are paying each time for all the transaction. It is small portion of your sweat earn daily. It is going to be part of the team revenue, and it is also user engagement. As they say, businesses pay to access your vast network of users. And something I previously talked, and Oleg Fomenko also talking about this, that they really care about the data of the users, and that's why they don't want to provide the access to this data, and they're going to sell it, and it's going to be on us if we decide whether to allow them to sell this data or not. Maybe it's going to be some option for users or not, but it is the way how they're going to generate the revenue and what they're going to do, and it is something very exciting for me. So Sweat Foundation will buy some sweat coins from secondary market and either burn it, or it's going to be some distribution in staking yield for us, or it is going to be some investment from their side in the sum of the rewards, and they provide some examples of it. So it's going to be gift cards, stable coins, or event tickets, and they're also going to invest in ecosystem development, community growth, partnerships, and product developments, which I think very great. So they're again highlights that they're going to buy and burn sweat. I think it's great even from marketing standpoint of view, because all the crypto holders are really like want all the project burn their coins, so it is something I think will also benefit Sweatcoin project in this case. And they're also going to do some dynamic NFT games in Sweat wallet app, and it is going to arrive shortly after token generation event. As they said, the main reason why they're doing this game, it is enjoyment. I think it's definitely could be a good and nice game to play, because if you're using their app itself, I think it's you're aware that like it's nice, user friendly, and I think that it's a lot of chance that game will be great as well. So I'm like waiting for this one. And also they mentioning the platform token, so it's going to be some staking sweat unlocks features in the wallet, and they provide also some examples. High stakers of sweat could access premium features, lower transaction fees, and increasing daily minting limits. Those limits, it's something new for me, because previously we didn't have any limits. So if you're walking like 100k steps, you will earn like without any limits. Maybe it's some functionality they are going to implement, I don't know. It's just something they put in the updated Tokenomics page, and this aspect will become increasingly available as features of Sweat wallet apps increase. And you know what also makes me very bullish about this project is this minting difficulty increasing. So you know, for now it is 1k of steps, 1 sweat, and like going forward is going to be increasing amount of sweat you are going to earn with 1k of steps. And you know, in like 10 years, yes, it's like a long time, but it's going to be only 10 cents of sweat. So this is actually crazy, and I probably don't want to sell my sweat coins like I don't know how long, maybe till 2024. At least I was able to collect almost 4k of sweat for now, and I hope it will be a big like amount pretty like soon, maybe 2 years, who knows. And I also was trying to predict and think about the future price of sweat at TGE, and you know, we also aware of the full amount of token at the beginning. It is going 3 billion point 2 of the tokens, as they say. Let me find this very quick. I don't know where is it. So they said it's going to be 3.2 billions at the beginning. And we also aware that initial private round is 3.3%, and as we are aware, it is also $13 million. So we could kind of predict what is like the price for like token generation event. But for now I will keep it silent. I need to do some more research. Anyway, we're having like only 10% of our coins unlock in the beginning, and maybe if it's like very juicy price, like people will sell it, but we will see. And they also put in the roadmap for us, so they're having like 4 phases here. So it's going to be this token generation event, the wallets application is going to be live soon, also sweat staking, and I think that the rewards in the beginning will be also great, and I hope like to see maybe, I don't know how much, but 100% will be great. And it's also MVP, minimum viable product of rewards for staking sweat, as they said, like those gift cards, those like some events or USDC coins as gifts. And later on they're going to work on NFTs, fiat, or on wraps. So it's great that people could straight buy sweat using like just fiat currency, US dollars, euros, and so on. And they're going to put some inactivity fees, which is also great, because you know, for now they decided to burn like about 4 billion of sweat, if I'm not mistaken, for people who didn't use the app for 1 year or longer. So it's something they will continue to do later on. I think it's great. So then, like, I think it's going to be 2023, 2024, SweatDAO, governments and on-chain voting, NFT marketplace, exchange crypto for crypto, DEX integration. So I'm not sure if this Sweat wallet app has this feature with exchange into Near protocol, but probably yes. And then they will work on some DEX integration. I think it's going to be the main DEX for Near, like blockchain, just my guess. And more features come in 2025 and going forward. And they have the audit completed already for them, and that's really great. And I think it's very great updates from the team, and it is 27 day more before this TGE event, and they're going live on 12th of September, and I'm very excited about this, trying to do my best to collect as much as possible, especially with 1k sweat for 1k stamps for 1 sweat. So yeah, it is actually all I wanted to share with you guys today. If you want to join also this app, use my link please in the description below. So and this is all I wanted to share with you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.